The Palestinian Museum was designed to be a modern architectural landmark, seamless among the surrounding agricultural terraces that characterize the terrain. The building is enveloped in a series of gardens that are home to a large variety of plant life, a lush representation of Palestine's floral heritage. The foundation stone for the museum building was laid in April 2013. Construction was completed in 2016. The Palestinian Museum was inaugurated and opened to the public. Merely a year following its inauguration, the museum was awarded Gold Certification for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LEED, by the U.S. Green Building Council. Green construction relies on measures and techniques that prioritize the environment, sustainability, and positive socioeconomic impact. The process encompasses the building's entire life cycle, beginning with location selection, on through the design and construction phase, and ultimately, operation. The Palestinian Museum is the first building in Palestine, the first museum in the Middle East, and one of 14 museums in the world to be certified Gold for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LEED. The museum was built to have a positive impact on the environment, especially in light of the circumstances and challenges specific to its surrounding ecosystem, such as water scarcity. From its construction phase to its inauguration, it attained 61 points, thus fulfilling the requirements for LEED Gold certification. 7 LEED certification categories were considered in the design, construction, and operation of the Palestinian Museum. First category, Site Sustainability. This category was addressed beginning with the selection of the building site in accordance with specific requirements. A strategy was adopted in the design phase to limit the pollution caused during construction and to incorporate alternative transportation by ensuring the availability of public transit and by encouraging the use of eco-friendly vehicles and carpooling. In addition to the museum gardens and green spaces comprising over 50% of the total area of the site, rainwater management strategies were implemented to the highest standards, as well as heat island reduction through the use of natural white stone for the building's cladding. Second category, Water Efficiency. The Palestinian Museum is situated in a region that faces environmental challenges, chief among which is water scarcity. It was therefore imperative to implement modern methods and technologies to ensure water efficiency and to achieve a nearly 50% reduction in water usage. Third category, Energy and Atmosphere. The design, construction, and operation of the museum has contributed to energy conservation and atmosphere preservation in various ways. From the very beginning, alternative energy sources were utilized in the design and construction phase. Focus was then placed on achieving high energy efficiency in the building itself, with measurement and analysis mechanisms put in place to ensure conservation and ideal performance across all systems. With these measures, the museum serves as a model for innovative green energy utilization that can be emulated in the interest of counteracting global climate change. Fourth category, Materials and Resources. In this category, it was essential to achieve benchmarks in relation to recycling, such as the collection and storage of all recyclable materials, as well as proper management of waste materials, so that they are repurposed rather than being dumped in landfills. 32% of the materials used to construct the museum itself were originally recycled, and emphasis was placed on utilizing locally sourced materials, thus limiting the cost and pollution associated with shipping and transport. Fifth category, Indoor Environmental Quality. The museum's commitment to operating in harmony with the environment and to contributing to its preservation is also reflected in its attention to indoor environmental quality. A high-quality internal environment was maintained during construction and is ensured during operation through the use of ventilation and air conditioning systems and the utilization of low-emitting materials inside the building. The heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems were designed in accordance with the Asher thermal environmental conditions for human occupancy. A permanent monitoring system was installed to ensure the thermal system's efficacy and to evaluate it over periods of extended operation. The museum also implemented a no-smoking policy within its premises and provided outdoor areas designated for smoking. Sixth category: Innovation and Design Process. The Palestinian Museum was awarded exemplary performance points for innovation in several areas: local sourcing of materials, sorting and repurposing of materials during construction, maximization of open spaces to over 40% of the total area, use of the museum as a venue for education about green buildings, implementation of an eco-friendly cleaning policy, and the presence of leadership in an energy and environmental design expert throughout construction. Seventh category: Regional Priority. The Palestinian Museum earned additional points for its careful consideration of the issues facing its geographical area. Given Palestine's water and energy shortages, the museum's regional priorities were as follows: water-efficient landscaping, innovative wastewater treatment technologies, water conservation, measurement and verification of energy systems and efficiency. The Palestinian Museum